Hello and welcome to MSAB Monday. I'm Adam Furman, Tech Evangelist here at MSAB. So today we're looking at XAMN Pro, and specifically we're going to be looking at the feature persons. So we're on the overview page. As can be seen, we can see all of the artifacts, our quick view links, but what we want to focus on is persons. So if we switch to the persons tab, you can see here that we've got quite a large list of persons that XAMN has identified in this case. For example, if we were investigating Ronnie Reeves, we can simply type Ronnie, and here are all the different personas that XAMN has identified as potentially being Ronnie Reeves. Now, we've marked Ronnie Reeves as a person of interest here, and you can see all of the different identifiers that belong to Ronnie Reeves. We know that the telephone number ends 436. We also know the iCloud address. So what we can do is we can start to build more details about Ronnie Reeves. So you can see now, we've now got an email address, we've got a Snapchat ID, a Kik ID, and this can be very powerful if you're just focused on one suspect. You could have many suspects and you could create several persons of interest. We can even export this data as a PDF in a simple export. But the power of XAMN comes when we can filter and we can just show artifacts where Ronnie Reeves appears. So if we were to click this hyperlink, you can now see that we've invoked the participants filter, which XAMN is known for its powerful filtering, and now we are just filtered on artifacts that contain Ronnie Reeves. Hopefully you can see the power of using persons for your investigations, and will join us again soon for some more hints and tips. Thank you.